Good morning to all my children. How are you all? Okay, I hope you all revised our first and second chapter. Is it? My dear children, you are getting Saturdays and Sundays. Is it? You have to revise your portions. Be very serious with your studies. So today we are moving with our third chapter, the climate. My dear children, when I am asking before moving to the chapter, what climate is in your district or in your place? Sometimes it will be very hot, sometimes it will be very rain, is it? It will be going on, is it? That is known as climate, otherwise weather. So we are moving. Only 3 points today I am taking. The first point we are going to deal is climate. The first point is climate. So what is a climate? Anybody? Can you guess and say the answer? No, you are not getting any idea. Okay, no problem. We will go with the definition. Climate. Climate means the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Over a long period of time. That is known as climate. Climate means average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. The main difference between the climate and weather is that this climate is a long period of time it will be going on. Okay, and also it affects our way of life. Way of life in the sense when we are planning to go outside, if heavy rain is going on, what we will do? We will postpone our activities, is it? Because of rain we will not be able to go outside, is it? That is the thing I said. It also affects our way of life. Then way of life in the sense it influences our clothing, then food we eat, etc. It all are, these all are the factors we can include. These all are the factors it also affect due to the climate. And next we are going to deal with weather. When we hear this climate and weather, no difference, is it? But little bit difference is there. So when we move with weather, weather is a condition of the atmosphere at a particular place. It will affect only at a particular place. Suppose if someone is asking you, if you are at Kattur, yes. What is the weather now? Sometimes it will be very rainy, is it? So we will say like this, it is very rainy. But when we go to Cherthala, if we are asking what is the weather there, sometimes that person will say it's very hot. And also in Europe and all, what is the condition you know? Europe is a very cold country. So in order to make the body warm, my dear children, listen carefully. In order to make the body warm, they used to eat fatty food. F-O-O-D, food. That is, we will eat, we are very interested in eating burger, pizza and all. Yes or no? Likewise, they also will eat only fatty food because of their weather condition. For what they are eating this fatty food? In order to make their body warm. You see? The third point we are going to deal, the last point is climatologist. What is the last point? Climatologist. My dear children, in the first chapter or in the second chapter, we were dealing with one word, that is cartography. Yes or no? Study of, that is map making. You see? Cartography. Likewise, in this chapter also another word is there. Another word is climatologist. Who is known as a climatologist? Yeah, a person who study climate. Is it clear for you? The people who study climate is known as climatologist. So, before winding this portion, this class, let us go with the points again. First, we were discussing about climate. As you know, climate means average weather condition of a place over a long period. Over a long period. And also, it also affects our every way of life. Yes or no? Next point was climate we finished, then weather. Little bit difference, I told you, climate and weather, there will be little bit difference. So what is a weather? Weather, a condition of the atmosphere at a particular place. At a particular place. And change, there will be change from day to day. If today is heavy rain, next day it will be very hot. Likewise, day will be going. And also I told you, in Europe is a very cold country. So, in order to make their body warm, what they are doing? They are eating fatty foods. Is it? And the last point before winding the class is climatologist. So, what I said about climatologist? Can anyone say? Ah, yes, one boy is trying to say the answer. Climatologist means the people who study climate. And the people who study climate is known as climatologist. So, my dear children, you have to read your textbook very nicely. And only 3 points we did. You have to understand these 3 points. And you have to write all these points at the back side of your notebook. And after the class, I will be giving the notes based on these 3 points. So, have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you.